Hi everyone, welcome back to 100% Pure's YouTube channel. My name is Lon. I'm the store manager at our Berkeley location, and in today's video I have some tips and tricks that might work for you guys to get elongated, thicker, fuller lashes. Let's get into it. So the first things first, what I do like to do is use our eyelash curler and curl my lashes. I want to start out with the base of the lashes and curl, move up the lash curler a little bit and curl in the middle of my lashes, and then at the very end I'm gonna make sure that you do get all the lashes so it'll ensure that they stick up. You can already see the difference with curling the lashes. Then we're gonna take our Nourishing Facial Balm and we're going to just apply a little bit of the product onto the brush. Just kind of want to do like a dabbing motion, nothing too much. And this will act as a nice sticky base for our powder that we're going to put on. And I just want to lightly brush it up, okay? Then we're going to take our Bamboo Blur powder. I have it in lightly, but you can use any shade. And we're going to use that same brush and we're going to dab a little bit of the product into the brush. Make sure you tap off the excess. And then we're going to lightly again brush the powder onto the lashes. Using the powder will really help with thickening the lashes. And then after doing that, again, you don't want to put too much of both those products on. You don't want them to be heavy. Then we're gonna take our Black Tea Ultra Lengthening Mascara. You can use any shade as well too. I like to alternate. Sometimes I like to use a blackberry or even the dark chocolate, but I have black today. And we're gonna start putting the mascara onto the lashes. And this is where the magic happens. You can already see the product grasping onto the lashes where the powder and the balm has been applied. It's almost kind of like a magnet, which is kind of cool. And it just coats the lashes so nicely, and that lift looks so good. Oh, that looks nice. So just brushing a little bit. Again, you don't want to put too much. Sometimes, I will admit, I do get carried away with mascara, but because I have the balm and the powder, I don't need too much at all. All right, okay, and that is the finished look there. All right, guys, what do you guys think? Comment down below if you guys are going to be trying any of these hacks. If you guys like these types of videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.